One, two, three, test. Linux brothers, welcome. I have a question. This is what the frick, please? Okay, this just normal Ubuntu with KDE desktop environment. So I have a question. Um, the game is loading okay, has the FPS here. So what's my question is, here's the mouse, okay? So when I trying to moving the mouse, the FPS is, you just see this, yeah? It's not moving the characters, it's moving the mouse. So if I, you see this freezing and lagging and okay, yeah? But it's the laptop. If I use the trackpad, it's okay, it's normal. I try into different mouses. I try into different stuff, and only with the USB mouse, and I deplugged it on the one, two, and another USB type, it's the cable. So it's just not working. And then the next question is, come out. I have the phone, just Google phone is how does the vanilla OS, yeah. And then when I plug it in, the screen is on and nothing, not charging, not connecting, not nothing. But if I is the Huawei, I ah, hate this naming. Shit, go out. If I plug this phone, wait, up, see? Oh, there's connecting, there's charging, just working well. I don't know why. I can try to. Shit. How's the. Wait. Second. This command. Yeah. Oh. Wait. We need a sudo. This thing. So if I deplug my phone, yeah, is unplugged. And then I just connect my primary phone. See, it's plugged, but no connection. Deplug and plug again. Just nothing. See, I show this way, like this. Deplug and plug in. And does it work? USB mouse, deplug, plug in. What you can say, guys?